Welcome to one more useful and interesting video. To get regular updates, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. Today I am going to talk about All India Scholarship Test Exam AISTE exam. This scholarship is closed for further applications. It is expected to be launched by January 2021. You can follow this scholarship for further updates. Now please watch this video till the end to completely understand about this scholarship. First of all, talking about the program. Tone Consultancy Private Limited invites applications for All India Scholarship Test Exam from students of class 4th to 12th. The aim of this scholarship exam is to offer financial support to students for their welfare and education. Selected students will receive a scholarship up to 90,000 rupees, book facilities for 1 year and excellence certificate. Eligibility of All India Scholarship Test Exam. To be eligible, an applicant must be an Indian student of class 4th to 12th, and there is no other eligibility criteria. Benefits you get by this scholarship are 4 national level awards. The first rank candidate will receive a scholarship up to 90,000 rupees, 1 year book facilities and excellence certificate. The second rank candidate will receive a scholarship 70,000 rupees, 1 year book facilities and excellence certificate. The third rank candidate will receive a scholarship worth 50,000 rupees, 1 year book facilities and excellence certificate. Benefits for the state level awards. The first rank candidate will receive a scholarship 28,000 rupees plus 1 year books facilities and excellence certificates. The second rank holder will receive a scholarship up to 25,000 plus 1 year book facilities and excellence certificate. Top 1000 winners will receive participation certificates. Documents you required while filling the application form is photograph of the applicant and signature. How can you apply? The link is given in the description box. Fill in the required details, upload the required documents, submit the application. The students can also apply for this scholarship exam offline. Selection criteria. Selection will be based on the online test and interview performance of the participants. Some of the terms and conditions you should know while applying this scholarship. AISTE applicants will have to appear at the exam centers in their home districts. Among the total number of applicants, this scholarship will be awarded to the 200 top meritorious students on the basis of their performance in online scholarship test and interview. Among the total number of applicants, this scholarship will be awarded to the 200 top needy students on the basis of their test results, interview, board marks, and family income. The applicants are required to pay a registration fee of Rs 249. The total number of questions asked in the examination is 120. The questions are categorized in 4 different sections, namely Mathematics 60 questions, Science 20 questions, English 20 questions, and GK 20 questions. Online form of the scholarship registration is here. First of all, you have to fill applicant name, father name, mother name, mobile number, your date of birth, physically challenged. If you have any problem with your body, you can choose yes or no from physically challenged section. Your gender, and then select caste category, your address, your state, your class name, applicant signature upload. Upload your signature. Signature size maximum is 1 MB only. Aadhaar card number, your district, your pin code number, and your photo upload. Photo size maximum is 1 MB allowed. And then accept the declaration that I hereby declare that the particulars submitted by the online examination application form of AISTE are true to the best of my knowledge, and then click on apply online. At present, this scholarship is not available. It will be available in January 2021. So if you want to apply for this scholarship, regularly check to the official website. I had given the link of the official website in the description box. I hope that you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and share with those students who need this scholarship. Thank you.